One thing kind of going on. Everything happens for a reason. And it just happens just for happen just so. Mr. Mentor, them can't stop the inevitable. Mr. Mentor, Father gotta talk to me now. I am a tell me now, I am a guide me now. C to the K, Mr. Mentor. You know? The Lord came down with the sun that shines, that brights my destiny. He said, listen son, it's too little raindrops to prove to you you're staying by me. And all that time, those two little raindrops didn't mean that much to me. But I see, nigga, nah. Me know me do me dirt, but me know me clean within. Me try to build a better life, cause better life to live. But once it rains, it pours, mash up everything. It's right back at stage one again for try another gig. Me know me really hurt, cause it hurt from within. But that's when the rain came down, 2 drops on my eyebrow. Then the Lord said, seek it, listen to me now. I gave you rain so you can appreciate the clouds. The Lord came down with the sun that shines, that brights my destiny. He said, listen son, here's 2 little raindrops to prove to you you're saved by me. And all that time, those 2 little raindrops didn't mean that much to me. But I see,
When I think about life and moving through life,
If you believe it,
think about,
I will show you the way. You must follow the signs.
am I really doing this because I love it or because I'm trapped? This is what you need to focus on, my dude. This is for you. This whole situation right now just bugs me out. If anybody I'm fooling is myself. I am trapped, but I love it. A lot of things I said I need to do for myself, and
If you believe
sometimes I procrastinate,
but I walk straight. If you
and
believe in
I'm wrong for that.
then you must walk straight and trust that I will lead you straight.
dark days means bright nights. Definition is important, man, you have to shine so bright. On the stadium set, no time to waste, no time to gaze. When you get it, it's like the cue sound. Man, select sound care, first time select it, listen okay. There you do, focus, that's off your shoes. Life is precious, never give up, ever stay on the move. Money is time, right now you ain't got much to lose. You're in solutions, this is the path you choose. The Lord came down with the sun that shines, that brights my destiny. He said, listen son, 2 little raindrops prove to you you're saved by me. That means that all that time, those 2 little raindrops didn't mean that much to me. But I see, nigga, nah. Can't stop the inevitable. Never stop the inevitable. Them cannot stop the inevitable. Them will never stop the inevitable. Father God, that Him will guide me and protect me through this long journey. Where's that? 2006, 9, 10, the galaxy. It's not about me anymore, it's about the music. It's about reaching the people them that would I love to hear with and know it. Get to use them now strive. Get to use them just to suffer. Why we have to spare some man? Why we have to work some man? Why we can't just build together man? Man's got to tell them and that. See to the king man. Carry on the message. The Lord came down with the sun that shines, that brights my destiny. He said, listen son, here's 2 little raindrops to prove to you you're safe by me. That means all that time, those 2 little raindrops didn't mean that much to me. But I see, nigga, no, okay.